Once upon a time in a small village in Bangladesh, there lived a young girl named Ayesha. Ayesha was bright and curious, but she faced many challenges. Her family struggled to make ends meet, and the village school lacked resources. Despite these odds, Ayesha had a dream: to learn English. Ayesha's journey began when she stumbled upon an old English textbook in the village library. The pages were yellowed, and the words seemed like a secret code. But Ayesha was determined. She borrowed the book and sat under the banyan tree, her makeshift classroom. The first obstacle was the alphabet. Ayesha traced the letters with her finger, repeating them aloud. She stumbled over W and V, but she didn't give up. Every day, she practiced, even when the monsoon rains threatened to wash away her progress. Next came vocabulary. Ayesha learned words like sun, moon, and tree. She pointed at the sky and whispered,
Sun.
She touched the leaves and said,
Tree.
The villagers laughed, but Ayesha ignored them. She knew that learning English was her ticket to a better life. Ayesha's biggest challenge was speaking. She had no one to practice with, so she talked to the cows and the birds.
Hello, cow. How are you today?
The cows blinked at her, unimpressed. But Ayesha persisted. One day, a stranger arrived in the village, a young English teacher named Mr. Rahman. Ayesha's heart raced. She approached him, stumbling over her words.
I want to learn English.
Mr. Rahman smiled and agreed to help. Every evening, Ayesha sat on a wooden bench in Mr. Rahman's tiny room. He taught her grammar, pronunciation, and idioms. Ayesha soaked up the knowledge like a thirsty plant. She practiced with passion, determined to prove that a Bangladeshi girl could conquer English. As months passed, Ayesha's confidence grew. She read English newspapers, listened to BBC radio broadcasts, and even wrote short essays. The villagers marveled at her progress. Look at Ayesha, they whispered. She's like a butterfly emerging from a cocoon. One day, the village headmaster announced an English speech competition. Ayesha hesitated but decided to participate. She stood on the stage, her heart pounding. The audience stared, waiting for her to fail. But Ayesha took a deep breath and began.
Good morning, respected judges and fellow villagers. Today, I stand before you as a girl who once struggled with the English alphabet. But now, I can express my thoughts, dreams, and hopes in this beautiful language.
Ayesha's speech was simple yet powerful. She shared her journey, the banyan tree, the cows, and Mr. Rahman's guidance. Tears welled up in her eyes as she concluded.
English is not just a language, it's a bridge to a brighter future.
The applause was thunderous. Ayesha won the competition, and her story spread beyond the village. Newspapers wrote about the Bangladeshi girl who defied all odds. Ayesha became an inspiration for others, proving that determination and passion could overcome any obstacle. And so, Ayesha's dream came true. She went on to study at a university, majoring in English literature. She became a teacher herself, helping other girls like her. Ayesha's journey taught everyone that even in the face of adversity, a single spark of determination could ignite a flame of success. And so, dear reader, remember Ayesha's story when life feels challenging. Believe in yourself, learn from every setback, and let your dreams guide you. Just like Ayesha, you too can conquer mountains, one English word at a time.
Persisted, kept going even when it was hard. Marveled, was amazed or impressed. Thunderous, very loud, like thunder. Adversity, difficult or challenging situations. Resilience, ability to recover quickly from difficulties. Triumph, a great victory or success. Ignite, to start or set in motion. Conquer, to overcome or defeat.
Now it's your turn to share. We're eager to hear all about your journey learning English. Tell us your story in the comments below. Whether you faced challenges or celebrated victories, we want to hear it all. And here's the exciting part. Your story could be featured in one of our upcoming videos. Or if you'd like, we can even create a special story inspired by your experience. So don't hesitate, share your adventures with us today.
Oh, and before you go, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to English Ears for more inspiring stories, practical tips, fantasy adventures, and motivation to help you on your English learning journey. Make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.